Click on the link below to get price. The Brother Stellaire 2 Innov-is XJ2 Disney Combo Sewing and Embroidery Machine is a thoughtfully designed product that caters to both sewing enthusiasts and embroidery artists alike. This machine aims to provide a seamless experience for users looking to create intricate designs and projects with ease. At first glance, the Stellaire 2 presents a sleek and modern appearance, featuring a large touchscreen display that enhances usability. This intuitive interface is designed to guide users through their sewing and embroidery tasks, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced sewists. Additionally, the machine boasts a compact, lightweight design, which allows for easy transportation and storage. One of the standout features of the Brother Stellaire 2 is its impressive sewing capabilities. With a variety of built-in stitches, including utility stitches, decorative stitches, and quilt stitches, users can explore a wide range of sewing applications. The machine also offers an automatic needle threader, which can streamline the setup process and minimize time spent preparing for projects. For those specifically interested in embroidery, the Stellaire 2 shines brightly with its extensive embroidery library that includes numerous Disney-themed designs. This feature is particularly appealing to fans of Disney, as it allows them to incorporate beloved characters and motifs into their projects. With a sizable embroidery area, users can tackle larger designs without feeling limited by the machine's capabilities. Furthermore, the machine includes advanced features such as a built-in camera and scanning capabilities. This allows users to import custom designs directly from their devices or even scan images to create unique embroidery patterns. The inclusion of wireless connectivity is another modern touch, enabling users to transfer designs effortlessly from a computer or mobile device. Operating the Brother Stellaire 2 is generally straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly interface and comprehensive manual. The machine's versatility lends itself well to a variety of projects, from home decor to personalized gifts. Users can take advantage of the customizable settings to adjust stitch length, width, and speed, enhancing their creative options. In conclusion, the Brother Stellaire 2 Innov-is XJ2 Disney Combo Sewing and Embroidery Machine is designed with the modern sewist in mind. Its combination of user-friendly features, extensive design options, and advanced technology make it a strong contender in the realm of sewing and embroidery machines. Whether you are just starting your sewing journey or are a seasoned expert, this machine offers a reliable and enjoyable crafting experience.